Hi guys, welcome to How to Sort YouTube channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can delete a Discord server on mobile. Before getting into this video, must subscribe to our YouTube channel and click on the bell icon. First, you need to open a Discord. Once you open Discord, you simply need to select any server. So I'm going to select this one. And then you need to click on three dots in the top right. And then you need to click on settings. So you can see that there is no option to delete. So you simply need to click on three dots in the top right corner and you will find the option of delete server. Click on that option and then you need to click on delete. So you can see that now my server is deleted, and you can repeat the same process if you want to delete another server. So this is a process by which you can delete any server on Discord mobile. I hope you find this video helpful. If you find this video helpful, must like this video, subscribe to our YouTube channel for future videos. We'll see you in the next video. Thank you. Have a good day.